You do.
Oh my god! It's my favorite! I love Blizzardworld.
Oh, it's Blizzardworld. I hope everyone has done their homework.
No, I did.
Ideas of what to do here.
Nah, I was
Yeah,
gonna
we
do it
just
right after this. So this
we
is
shoot
unfortunate.
Lucky for you guys, I did the homework, so I can lead us through what we're going to do.
Okay.
Control
You
right
too,
lane and win.
For first point, what we're going to try first is a basic shield comp. Assuming they run something that puts them on the high ground, we can just go left and below, which means that we're going to have minimal amount of time, or they will have minimal amount of time to actually touch us. In that scenario, I'm going to be speed boosting us there, and we go to point and fight us. So I would suggest Rhine Hog, since we only need shields to shield us 2 point, and then from there we're going to need some damage. As far as DPS goes, I would actually suggest a Genji, as well as some other kind of hit scan. So probably Tracer, maybe Sombra.
If your concern is Pharah, then I would rather do Sombra against that.
Okay. She does have the better spray, yeah. Okay, so let's do the Sombra there. So I will...
Genji or Doof?
Ooh,
Which is
good
better here?
question. Probably Doof, because there are a lot of close walls here.
Oh yes.
Dude, if someone gets hacked, you can just like hit them, and then they'll and then they'll just die because they can't get away.
Whoa. Neat trick.
Pro strength. Gotcha. So we're gonna go see where they're held.
Follow
Assuming that they are going to
They have a jump.
high ground. Yes, they are.
Looks like he's going to the right again.
We can just walk in mid right now because they don't have high ground.
Okay.
Exactly. Once hold on, wait for our hog.
Okay. Oh,
Yeah,
right
sorry,
on high
that
ground
wasn't-
again. My shield's breaking.
Hey. Real split right now. Be aware.
I got Zen.
Nice job. Nice job.
I
We're gonna push through.
Probably get
Top right.
ready.
Okay, let's push. Right side. I got
My
trapped.
shield's so broken right now.
I'm alive.
Alright, wrap around right.
Okay, Junkrat on point.
Oof, I got pooped out.
Hey. Junkrat, 2-hit on point.
I'm getting so CC'd right now.
super low.
Hey. I'm on the Zen. Zen's half.
Fist in us. Fist one. Doom low.
Hey. Doom down, nice job. Next one's down.
Leave a half.
Watch for res.
I'm down as well. Res is up.
I'm hitting Q.
Okay, let's regroup. No, we should regroup.
We can do this.
Oh no, I'm down. I
Okay,
should not
let's
hit
regroup.
Q.
Let's take a look at our team comp
I have
versus
Shadow
theirs.
Hollow.
I've got
Awesome.
an idea.
What is it?
We're gonna go through the roller coaster place, wrap around to second point lane, and then
Yep.
come in from the back.
Okay.
Gotcha.
Oh, they're holding
They're up
Ritter.
top.
Yeah.
Coming in.
Okay, yeah, they know.
That's alright.
Let's continue moving.
Continue
Still
wrapping
make it.
around.
Yep. Careful, Wolfie, you're alone over there.
Yeah.
Good job.
Oh fuck.
Hit the
Where's he
Orisa.
sacked?
Orisa dead.
Hey. They used 2 ults there.
No mech, I stole her mech.
Good job. Focus targets. Let's go on the Mercy.
Chunk.
Okay.
Low.
Doomfist is half.
Doom.
Mercy's hacked again.
Doom fist.
Okay, there's a Mercy on
Okay.
point. Doomfist is coming in on left.
Doom fist.
It's
Hey.
just Doomfist. Nice.
Nice.
Good job. Okay.
Alright, that
Nice
was
job.
fun.
Watch out for tire.
Big cook. Oh. Watch tire.
We're good.
Big beat. Oh, they popped down the.
Bonko's half.
Let's go.
Bonko dead.
Good job. Look out for Doomfist. Doomfist on me.
Hear you?
Doomfist behind us.
Behind. It's...
Doomfist no cooldowns mid.
Hear you.
Doomfist down, nice job. On the D.Va.
Okay.
Come on, Diva. Diva out of mech.
Nice, nice, nice.
Good job, good job, good job. Risa next, Risa. Good job.
Good.
Alright, that was.
Thanks for
I'm a
carrying
little worried
me.
there.
We just walk behind them and kill all of them. That's the strat.
Yeah, it was a
Thanks,
good
Ripple.
push. Yep, for second point, we need to be moving with cart, so this is just
You're up top.
the cart. We can change comps if we would
That was
like.
heavy.
Oh my gosh. Alright, let's aim.
Yeah, careful Shadow for your line over
Should I
there.
push up top with you or stay in mid?
We're probably gonna have to get them off here first.
Alright.
If we just hold right side of cart,
Oh.
control the inside of the nexus.
Let's.
Okay.
So it takes
yeah,
your,
no, I'm
your
gonna
line
back
right
up.
now.
Okay, yeah.
Yeah. So they're holding high ground over there, which is fine, but if we get a shield on point, they can't do anything.
Lucas
to
in
us
us.
below them.
Fist hack.
Nice.
Good job, good job. Careful, 6
Moira.
healing. Where's more in front of shield?
Yeah.
Good job, good job.
Shattering.
Good job, good job. Get the.
No.
I'm under Risa. Risa's full.
Soldiers hack. Soldiers hacked above us.
Hear you.
Okay. Someone's
Soldier
on cart.
dropped on cart.
I hear
Hold
you.
them down.
Good job, good job. They have a meteor strike.
Yeah,
Spread
it's
out,
gonna be
spread
coming right
out.
here.
Diva, Diva.
Gonna die. We can get the Doomfist. He's half.
low.
Hitting Q.
He's low, he's
Okay.
low.
Nice, nice,
Good
nice.
job, good job. Focus targets.
I can't reach him.
Nice, Doomfist down.
Oh,
Good.
that's
Okay.
one. Nice.
Oh, Diva bomb, Diva bomb.
Nice,
Oh, no.
nice, nice. Nice.
Good shit.
It's just those
This is
two.
low. Soldier.
Push it down.
Okay, we just have
Nice.
Nice.
Good job, good job.
I got bad
Secure our
spawn.
reinforcements.
I got
Pushing up.
good spawn.
Alright,
Good
I'm
job, good
gonna
job.
push into their old spawn.
Yeah,
Yeah.
I'm down. They're half in there. We can kill a lot of them.
Diva's one, Diva's one.
Nice.
Diva. Good job.
Zen's over here still.
Get on, yeah,
Yeah.
next one.
Nice.
Stay on to it.
They have Tracer.
Okay. I'll stay on card if everyone else wants to move up. I'd only go to the last bend though. Don't go any further.
Moira's hacked. She has coalescence.
Hammering.
6 and be aware. Good job, good job.
Oh, fucked it up.
Moira's half.
Oh.
Moira's one hit.
Tracer right.
That was my bad.
6 is down. 6, Moira
Should've
has
swung.
coalescence.
Tracer's on the left.
Yeah, Tracer's half. Good
Nice.
job.
Who's hacked?
I need healing behind, yeah.
I hear you. I'm on the Diva right now, just kind of spamming. I'm gonna taxi 6, be aware.
Thanks.
Right here.
Oh, I
I
hit
have sound
someone.
barriers.
Low.
How soon
gonna
do you
sound
go?
barrier.
EMP high noon, EMP high noon.
EMP 3, 2, 1.
Good, good, good.
Oh, the D.
Oh, right side, Risa.
Ever's low.
Tracer's
Ever's
behind.
dead.
Good job. I hear you, Diva
Baby
first,
Diva dead.
now Tracer.
Three
Good
down.
job. That,
One to the
that
right.
worked.
Kill. Nice job.
Oh my gosh, that
On
was
the right.
beautiful, Max.
Good job, everyone.
Yeah,
Good
that
job.
was some really good coordination there, guys.
The thick noon.
Slick.
And I don't even
That was
have to
pretty
like
good.
shot call everything. It's amazing.
Yes. Okay, so for defense, we're gonna need something fat to break shield. So probably a fat, so like maybe a Risa Hog. And then we can hold on high ground. And I
Which
don't know,
high
we need
ground?
something.
Ribbon or above point?
Which do you think is better? They both have advantages.
I feel like if
It
we do the
depends
one near
on what
point, we
DPS
should have two
we're running.
shields.
I heard you, Wolty. Who else talked?
I did. I said it depends on like what DPS we're running. I think if we're running a rat, then we could hold the Griffin, but otherwise, I think we should probably hold one on point.
Okay. I agree
Do
with
we
that.
want to? No, that would be dumb. All right.
What?
Okay, yeah, so let's
I was
definitely
thinking
hold high
if we
ground.
hold a
Or-
tor, like if we want to hold point, we can just put Torb turret in the.
Holding the one near point makes it really easy for me to hack people. If you guard
Yeah.
my translocator, like, I don't have to go far at all.
Alright, this looks like an easy solution.
Is there
That's
a
a good
side
pick.
that we should be standing?
Um,
I feel like the right side's more open, so I should shield right size, and then you can use the boat to duck to the left side.
It's a mega.
everyone quickly familiarize yourself with the closest health
Oh,
packs.
that one.
I'm gonna hack the mini right behind us. But
Oh yeah. By the way, in case you haven't played this map recently, they changed where the health packs are because there were too many
Oh,
megas
boy.
in your point. So the one below point's a mini, and the one
Yeah.
inside of Duskwood area got moved to the other side of the room.
Okay.
Les attaquants approchent.
What should be doing.
Défendez l'objectif.
Oh, okay, guard my translocator. I'll get
Pharah,
some
I'm watching
info.
left.
Oh, I went over there.
Okay, they have a Pharah.
Hog, Diva.
Widow would have like major sightlines here. That is.
That is true.
long.
Giving my
Full shot on
translocator.
that.
Healing's on Shadow right now. I don't see them
They're on
moving.
left.
They're
Hogs on
okay, I'm gonna
left.
shield left
Looks
side
like
now.
they're doing a split.
I hear you. I'm healing next.
Okay, it looks like they're wrapping
You're
I got
right.
booped off.
Maybe?
I hear you.
No.
Healing's on next
Far's
still.
peeking
They have
point.
Hanzo.
They're on point.
The Pharah's discorded.
Contact.
Okay, dropping. Hog discorded. On Hog.
Hog dead.
Even now?
Pharah's on
Back.
back.
Is that Mercy?
You will take
Mercy,
Fire
Mercy, yeah,
one.
Mercy's
Oh,
low.
dead.
She's right on the point.
Where's
Mercy,
the
Mercy.
Pharah?
Pharah's dead.
Good job.
Nice,
Get the
Red.
Hanzo.
Oh, I'm popping off!
Nice.
Give me a stat. Nice job.
Coming
Nice
in.
job.
Lol.
Nice. Not even a tick.
When
Not
the
really.
supports Carry.
Alright, they have a Hanzo now? Instead of.
They've had a Hanzo.
Then what did the
Oh,
Forest
they
do?
Hanzo.
Uh,
Yeah.
No.
They,
yeah, Tracer, I think.
yeah, no.
They had an
did
Orisa.
Tracer before.
No.
Okay, they're coming left.
I'm
It looks
confused.
like they're going Griffin.
Okay.
Yeah, they're going left.
Let me shoot left side then.
I hear you.
Okay, I'm
Healing's on
gonna EMP
next.
when they come out.
Okay.
Are they going far left?
They might be doing
Looks
the
like they're
wraparound
going-
thing.
Yeah, I
Okay.
think they're doing wraparound. I'll keep it
Okay,
on.
yes, they are. They are. Okay, EMP.
Okay.
3, 2, 1.
Go. Diva discorded.
Zen. Nice.
Diva out of mech. Hanzo discorded. Half health. Good job.
Nice.
Hog.
Mercy's on right.
On the hog.
Mercy's out now.
On this hog with you.
I hear you. I hear
I
you.
got it.
Nice.
Oh, shit.
Tracer
I'm
on
dead.
point.
Oh, I dropped my shield
One.
for you.
We
Sorry.
can kill the Tracer quick though.
Nice.
I'm gonna have chance, so I'm
Back
not gonna
high ground?
switch over.
Yeah.
That
They're
was
gonna push fast.
grand pullout.
Yeah.
I expect them to push in the next 10 seconds.
Looks like they're coming from a right direction.
Oh, they have sonar in mid-ish.
Yeah,
Okay.
control the logs.
I'm coming
Uh,
back.
Pushing
Here.
mid right now.
Oh, I almost threw that.
Almost headshot.
Killing me. Tracer behind.
Behind.
Hear you?
Oh, I'm stuck. I'm alive. Oh, it's coming through right side.
Jump off.
I can
Jump
trans on point.
On the point.
Go,
On the
go, go.
point.
Okay, going point.
Hog tack.
Okay.
Good job. Lucio first, Lucio.
Popping.
Nice.
Good job.
Lost Diva bomb.
I'm
Oh my
down.
gosh, I thought.
We're down 2 to that.
Alright.
Focus targets.
I'm on
Lucy
Diva.
tack.
Diva on
On
point.
Diva. DVD Max.
Next.
Tracer's on me.
Help six. Tracer's on her.
Okay.
The Tracer's half on point.
Okay.
Oh my god.
We're down 2.
Hanzo's low.
No one's there.
Here, how many are on point?
3.
Oh, 3. My bad. The top.
I'm just gonna go to support Shadow.
Nope.
Ah, it's a shame. Okay, backing up then.
That was dumb. Alright, that was dumb of me.
I thought we could have made it as well. Killing Sonic Simo right now. Do we want to do any switches?
Hog tack. He's got ult.
I hear you. We can't do anything.
How didn't I take that? What?
I might swap Monkey when I die.
Okay, I hear
You
you.
all go Diva.
I'm totally down for a dive defense if you guys want.
Diva left.
Hanzo's half right now.
Tracer's
healing.
top.
And this hog.
Hog, hog.
Thank you.
Stuck
Hog.
again. Alright, yeah, I'm just gonna swap now.
I hear
Tracer's low.
you. Diva's on me. Diva's half.
6. Do you want me to go?
Hog has
Diva?
no hook.
Probably.
Yeah, we need some kind of shield. Or no, that's actually good. Yeah, you're right.
Yeah.
Okay, let's group up for an attack.
I'm just gonna be hiding with EMP.
I hear you. We're gonna use EMP for this attack. 1, 2, 3. Wait for
Get
ulti.
ready.
Yeah, we're
I'm
gonna
here,
push
I'm
in. Countdown from 5.
2, 1.
Go. Diva's discorded.
Diva.
Lucio first. Lucio.
Nice.
Nice. Alright.
I'm super low.
Or fade down.
Not
I
enough.
can kill
Hog
you.
low. Nice.
Hands on 6 right now. Good job, everyone. Good job.
Nice.
Good job, video game players.
Yep.
Oh my god.
How many ults do we have? We have 2 coming up on 3.
Yep.
My healing's on 6 right now.
Okay, it looks like
Be aware.
they're keeping the same.
Hanzo's high ground.
Wolty, do you want to just?
Yeah, they're all
jump
coming
on
high.
those ones?
They're all high
Oh, I
ground.
got. Jumping
they're all
away.
around.
That's Sky lost.
Contact.
Shit. Ooh, it's bad.
Tracer on me.
Thank you, thank you.
I hear you.
Nice. I'm back in back.
Good job, good job.
Nice.
Okay, cool.
No
Diva
bubble.
bomb
I
coming
might
in.
be dead. Nope.
We're good, we're good.
with the flank.
I have trance. Hog point, hog point.
Okay.
Nope, stack ult. My bad.
That's fine, we need to survive anyway.
I almost have Diva
Oh
bomb.
my gosh, I
Hey,
didn't
Hog
You're attack?
Hog's
dead.
been back.
Nice, nice, nice.
I'm on a
Hello?
corner dead.
Corner's down.
Diva, Diva,
Good
Diva.
job, good job.
Lucio?
Lucio.
Lucio discorded. Lucio
Diva.
down. Diva next.
I jumped up to 2, 1,
I
jumping.
hear you.
Diva fell down.
I can't hear
Alright,
you.
their Hanzo and Reaper.
Alright. Oh,
You can
okay.
get this Diva. Alright, never mind. Fall back.
Yeah.
Healing's on ulti. I'm staying on cart.
Okay. I'm gonna try to play more defensively because it's Reaper now.
True. Yes, I agree. Our
So
spawn's right
bomb.
here. Do you want to change to something?
Actually, yeah. What am I thinking?
Healing's on next right now. They're pushing in
They're
front
coming
of
right.
right.
Coming right.
Okay, EMP in.
I'm not there.
Wait for them to drop. Wait for them to
Yeah,
drop.
Drop. Yeah.
Their
I'm going
Reaper's
around.
pushing me too.
Everyone back up a bit. Hog.
Hog's to back left.
I hear you. I hear
Yeah,
you.
I'm here.
Yep.
Top.
They're pushing though. Hey, EMP in 3,
Nice.
1.
Go.
Soldiers.
Reaper discorded again.
Reaper.
I'm hooked. I'm down.
Reaper.
Reaper behind. Hog behind.
Hog
Reaper
behind.
1.
I hear you.
Reaper down.
Get Reaper first.
Tracer.
Good job. Hog on
Tracer's
point.
behind us. Tracer's behind.
Hog first
Hog.
on Tracer.
Get the Tracer. I'm on the hog.
Okay.
I'm on the mech.
Coming back.
Tracer down. Everyone hog.
The hog.
I hacked him.
Nice.
The hog.
Good job.
Avoid the bomb.
We're good.
Got
we're
baby
good.
Diva.
Lucio.
Yeah,
Lucio
card.
discorded.
Nice.
Nice.
Right side?
Someone's coming in. Moira. Reaper's coming in main. He's gonna have ult. Beware.
Moira.
Nice.
Nice.
We're good.
Tracer.
Tracer next.
Tracer down.
Point. Nice job.
Good game.
Victoire.
Dude, my
Good
Tracer was not bad.
Nice. My EMPs were not bad.
Yeah, no, those EMPs were very
Yeah,
nice.
those are nice EMPs.
Yeah,
I
they were.
think I need to know.
amazing.
I need to know where they're pushing from, and then it's really easy.
Oh, I thought I was killing all these people. Come on, ulti. This is when I was like, I'm popping off.
Yeah.
You did though.
Yeah, you did.
Those were headshot finishers.
Yeah.
True, you're right.
I just happened to have like the most damage spread across all of them.